What's up, guys? It's that time of year again. It's the LPU Raffle season. Yes, the LPU Raffle season. But this year, there's a special treat because MG Secure and the LPU Belts team has made an amazing spot on the LPU Belts website for us to check out everything we need for the LPU Raffle. Literally everything you need is right there on the LPU Belts website, which, as you guys know, I'm partial to MG Secure and I love his website. So, we're going to go over there and we're going to take a look at everything going on there. We're going to take a look at all the prizes. We're going to take a look at the rules. We're going to talk about how you can enter to win up to 3 of these prizes that were put into the prize pots this year. Let's take a look. Okay, guys, the LPU raffle is on. So, everyone's favorite LPU tradition is back. Welcome to the 2025 Lockpicking Charity Raffle. The ticket entries will be accepted through January 31st, and the primary prize drawing will happen via live stream on Saturday, February 1st. Mark your calendars, people. The time will be determined. Now, once you read all the rules and make your donation, you can click right on this giant green button to enter the raffle. Now, I will leave a link right to this page in the description of this video so you will be able to find it very easily. How to participate. Number 1, select an approved charity to donate to. If there's too many to choose from, feel free to ask for suggestions. Now, to find out which charities you can donate to, you simply click right here where it says approved charity. All right. Here is a list of all the charities. It literally goes on and on and on and on and on. If you can't find a charity, I don't know what to tell you. There's a list here from the 2024 contributions and the current contributions so far for 2025. So you can check that out as well. Okay, number 2, donate. Please take a screenshot of some proof that the donation was accepted and valid. That screenshot must include a visible date or it cannot be accepted. So please make sure that you read this rule a couple of times and do it correctly. Get an image hosting link for your screenshot by uploading it to Imager or something similar. Check out the list of prizes, which we're going to take a look at in just a minute. Then go to the form below to specify your charity, add the link to your screenshot, and allocate your tickets among the pots. Then you're done. A raffle organizer should contact you on your platform of choice to notify you that your submission was either approved or requires an adjustment. Okay, so the rules are each US dollar equivalent rounded down donated counts as one ticket in the drawing. Members of the raffle team with access to internal info about donations are not allowed to participate. This is done to ensure that the process remains fair. There's a maximum prize limit of 3 that can be won by a single individual. We love it when people donate big, but we also want to make sure that the field does not get swept by a small number of individuals. How the prize limit works. Anyone can put as many tickets on as many different pots as they want. The drawing will occur as normal with no changes. Anyone who wins a number of pots above the limit will need to choose which ones they would like to keep. All of the unkept pots will be placed back into circulation and redrawn in a second stream that will occur on Sunday, February 2nd. Anyone who goes above the pot limit during the secondary stream will have until the end of that stream to specify what they'd like to put back into circulation, or the last pots they won will be redrawn by default. Now, it's very important that you note the shipping cost of each prize that you're looking at. Important. Take note of the origin locations and shipping notes next to each prize. Prizes that are not labeled as international shipping included will require any international shipping to be paid entirely or partially by the winner. Prizes listed as domestic only will not be shipped internationally. So it's a big deal to make sure that you take a look at, the shipping of whichever prize you want to put a ticket on. An extra big thanks as well to the 59 prize contributors who made it possible for us to have 70 prizes this year. And this is a list of all of those people who donated. So a big thanks to all of those guys. All right, so now let's take a look at the list of prizes. Okay. There is 70. So we're not going to go through all of them, but we will take a look at some of these. As you can see, this is a digital prize. It's a $150 gift ticket. Then you get a gift ticket for Adam's Locks here. Let's go down to some other ones that are not tickets. All right. Now, here is where you will see the shipping details. And as you can see here, international shipping is included. And this is going to be listed somewhere on the page. So make sure that you take note of, all the different shipping. Okay. You don't wanna bid on something and then have to pay shipping that you didn't realize you would pay. Okay, so then you have one that's $50 towards international shipping. Right, just lots and lots of really cool gift prizes, okay? And like I said, there's 70. So you're gonna need to come over here and take a look at them because I'm not gonna pull them all up, but take a look at the cool little googly eye pic Dev made. I love that thing. So yeah, get over there, reread all the rules, be very careful to take note of all the things that you're going to put a ticket on and make sure of, the shipping and everything. So a special thank you to everybody who is in charge of the raffle, all the people who worked so hard to get that raffle going. A big thank you to everybody who put prizes in for the raffle, and a huge thank you to MG Secure for hosting, making a amazing place over on the LPU belts to host everything about the raffle on there because it makes it so much easier for everybody that wants to kind of see what's going on and keep track of all the numbers on everything. So thank you to all of you guys. Also, please note that there are several newbie, raffle prizes. So you don't have to be a seasoned lock picker to win these prizes. There are things for new people in there as well. So even if you are new, you can go check out the prizes. There's something in there for everybody. So I wish you all the best of luck. Good luck to everybody who puts a ticket in. I hope you win your favorite prize, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Lady Locks out.